Hello, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to Duns Pixie, Duns Wig, to all my wig family, to all my wig people, all right? So don't mind the hair, y'all. Don't mind the hair. As you guys know, I have a pixie, okay, underneath this, okay? This is actually a pixie cut, y'all. You guys know this. You guys know this. But today we are going to install my friend. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to install her. I have not worn her yet. Okay, so I'm very, very excited to see how this is going to turn out. You know how they say that blondes have more fun. So I'm going to wear this actually for about a week and see if I do have more fun during that week, right? And I'm gonna let you guys know. But that being said, y'all, yes, stay tuned, y'all. Come with me, stay tuned. Watch this video, okay? So I'm going to show you how I install this. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know how it's gonna look on me. So let me know, all right? And also, I don't know about you guys, but growing up as a black woman, I've heard some people say, "Oh, black women don't look good on blonde with blonde hair. Black people don't look good." Is that true? Have you guys heard that, or is that just me? Huh? Have you heard people saying that, "Oh, if you are black, you cannot wear blonde. You could only have black hair." And I'm like, that's not true, because we have, black people with different color hair all the time. You know what I'm saying? So I brush my hair back and I'm gonna put my wig cap on. Okay, this wig cap is fabulous. Okay, it's in the link. If you want one just like it, okay, click on the link that's in my description bar. Okay, this wig cap, I'm telling you, when you wear it, everything stays in place. Okay, the wig doesn't go anywhere. Everything stays in place, y'all. And you could put it behind your ear. Okay, well, that's, of course, it has to go behind your ear. But I usually just put it like this until I install the wig, okay? So that's step one, all right? She's short. She's not long at all, because I just wanted something short. I'm just gonna hook. Okay, I'm just gonna put these hooks in place just to give it more security. And also, I don't want my hooks to be like showing when I have the wig on. Okay, so you see, I just hooked it. All right, just hooked it. All right, y'all. And then, oh my God, here we go. Okay. We put her on, we secure her in the back. All right. What y'all think? What y'all think so far? I have to make sure that do I want to part it like this, or do I want to part it more to the side? Yeah, I think we want to part it to the side. Yes, I think we want to do that instead. Yeah, y'all. Yes, y'all. Let's see what we're gonna wear. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, y'all. So I'm just brushing the hair. Wow, it's really blonde, huh? Just brushing it. Okay. Away from so this lace, it's like a full lace. I usually have like, with my kinky hair, I usually have the lace that only goes like, like from here to there. But this one, it goes all the way back, as you all can see. But we don't worry so much about the sides, okay? Because like I've always said to y'all, people see the front, not the side, okay? So I'm going to do my wig dealer lace glue, okay? That's the glue that I use. wig dealer, send me my check. Send me my check. And any wig companies out there, if you would like to collab, I'm your girl. Available for business partnership. All right, y'all. So we are just going to put the wig. Put the glue. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit. Sometimes a lot come out, so I can't really, control it. So you see. Squeeze it, and then it's hard to do this and filming at the same time, but anyhow. So like I've said to you guys, and you guys know this and you guys see this, I have a 7 head. Okay, your sister girl, oh, my water just fell. Technical difficulty. So your sister girl has a big old forehead. I am blessed with a big forehead. I'm convinced, y'all, beautiful girls, pretty girls, we have big foreheads, okay? So it is what it is. Let me know any pretty girls out there with big foreheads like me. Comment. Okay, so I just, you see, I'm just putting the glue. And it's okay if, a little glue gets on the cap. Gets in the front of the cap, that's okay. All right, so this is the glue. I don't glue all, like, my sides burns. I don't usually do that. I don't put the glue all the way to the back because I just spray it because, I don't want my, like I was saying to y'all, when I get to the very edges, like close to my ears, I like to use this spray because, this is easy to come off and it does not damage your hair at all. But to be honest with you, the glue is harder to come off. So if you don't have patience, if you're in a hurry, this will take your hair off. So, right here in the front, I have no hair there, so I'm good. But in the sides, see, I have hair, so I'm trying to protect those hair. But anyhow, then the fun starts. I put it in the cool setting, okay? I'm just blow drying my hair here. I like the cool setting because it's a way for me to kind of get a little fresh air. And take your time, okay? Take your time with this process, y'all, okay? This is like, it takes long, but it's worth it, okay? Take your time with this process, y'all. I don't know if I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but do you see how, like, when it dries out really clear and like invisible. You see, when it dries out, it looks clear and invisible, and that really is going to help to make the wig melt and make it look more like it's your own hair, it's your own scalp. Okay. All right, so I do this as much as I can indoor. I have to be honest, I usually don't wait till it's dry. I let it dry throughout the day. By tomorrow it's gonna look fabulous. Okay, fabulous. Now the magic really happens, y'all. So like I told you guys, I like my hair to be on the side. Okay, so that's why it's gonna be kind of like on the side. All right, so pay close attention, y'all. So if you like your hair to be in the front, you put it in the front. That's up to you, okay? But me, I like to be on the side, y'all. Side. Yes, y'all. Okay. So let's see. Come on. I'm nervous. Yeah, she gets nervous, y'all, when she's doing her hair. Okay, so I think I want my part to be like right here. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah, yes. Right here, like that. Okay, so that's how she's going to be. Okay, and of course, focus on the front for now. Where are my tools? Where are my tools? Where are my tools? Focus on the front, y'all. You gotta have fun, okay? You gotta have fun with your hair. Have fun with it, y'all. Ooh. Anyways, y'all. Focus on the front. You see? You see, y'all? You see how it just, oh yeah. You see how it just like, oh, yes, yes, yes. My tools, come to me, my tools. My tools. Okay. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Come on, blend in, blend in. Oh, yes, y'all. And so what I'm gonna do, because I'm going to kind of, you know, make this, just spray this down like that. So I'm just going to put my cap. I'm gonna put it back here. There you go. And then we take our spray. Okay. And we just spray it from the inside, okay? You saw how I held it? Okay? And you tilt your head back so that it could go in more. And then we just, you know, blow dry it. We blow dry it. You see how it looks more like, you know, it's more down now. Okay, and just kind of put the hair all together, y'all. Put it all together. All right. And this side, I don't need to do anything with it, okay? Because see, my wig cap is behind my ear. It's good. The hair is hiding my ear. I'm good. We are good, y'all. So we just brush it down. We are almost done, y'all. We're almost done. Ooh, look at her. Yes, y'all, yes. And I'm gonna put little, you know, little gel to define it even more. Okay. See? And maybe, I think I may curl it a little bit, okay? I'll curl it up for us. All right, we're gonna curl it up a little bit, y'all. Okay. So while the curling iron is getting hot, oh wow, I like it, y'all. Yes, what do you guys think? What do you guys think, y'all? Let me turn around. Yay! Hey, did you do this or what? Did you do it? Did you do it? Okay. I'm just gonna add a little curls to the front. Okay. Nothing major, just maybe to the front, maybe a little bit here too. Okay, the hair is like naturally curly and gorgeous, so we don't need to do much to it. Okay. All right, just a little curl, because you know, your girl, I like my hair to look as perfect as it can. See, I'm just curling it this way, curling it back like that. Okay. Take your time with it, y'all. Okay, beauty takes time. Two things I've learned about beauty, y'all. Beauty hurts and beauty takes time. Beauty hurts in terms of, you know, right now I'm at risk of getting burned. Okay. Last time, as you all saw, I cut my finger, you know, by mistake. Yes, y'all. Just play with it. Make it yours. Yes. And then this side too. We're gonna do the same thing for this side. See how this is up? I'm gonna have to deal with that later, but not now, y'all. We'll deal with that later. We don't need to do too much. That side doesn't really have to be that curly, okay? Doesn't have to be too curly now. Okay. That side does not have to be too curly. But you know, I like to get the front. Just make it yours, you know, make it your own. Yes, y'all. I am making it my own. Yeah, so let me know. How do I look? How do I look with it? See? Yes, y'all. I like it. I'm gonna find out, do blondes have more fun? And who says, you know, black people don't look good with blonde hair? I think I look damn good. Let me know, y'all. Let me know. Yes. So yes, y'all. Loving it. See? You see the front? See it? And when I put my, when we put our band on, it's gonna be more laid. Yes, y'all. So check me out on my Instagram, okay, on my Instagram page, so you could see some pictures, okay? Instagram, all one word, DunsBeautifulPeople, okay? That's me on Instagram. I'm gonna put some pictures and you could see. All right, have a blessed day. Enjoy your day. Like this video, share, subscribe, okay? Hit the notification bell so that you know each time I upload. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. See ya.